Hi, what you see here is the 3D scan of a car panel that I made in my previous video. It was scanned by CAD Scan Raptor X, so it's very thin. There is no thickness applied to it because I scanned only one side. When you take a closer look, it consists of 1.8 million small polygonal. With this polygonal, you can modify the model by using a clay method, scalping with the clay. You can smooth it, add the clay, you can remove, trim some part of the model. But if you want to reconstruct this car panel, you need to reverse this into a CAD model. To do this, you need to export the file from a clarity scan into the point cloud. With the mesh, it has a lot of striking line, but with the point cloud, no striking line. So it's like a raw data of the scanner. So we use this point cloud to recreate a 3D model in CAD. First, we need to export this into ASC format, and then we bring it into CAD. And this is AutoCAD. You can see here that the point cloud is very dense, so I'm going to reduce the density of the point cloud. I reduce it so it's easier to see. Okay, and I change the color of the point cloud to a brighter color. Okay, next step, I will draw a 3D boundary line along the edges of this panel all over. You can see here they have pronounced edges here, and probably some place like here, and also the curvature of the fender here. I use AutoCAD because it's very fast with drawing the line and it can directly snap into the point cloud. Okay, I'm in the AutoCAD Inventor. I have already imported a 3D polyline from AutoCAD. I will start to create 3D arc. I can either use a spline or arc, but I prefer arc. We need only 3 points to create one arc. So this one we have a line. Arc. Okay, so here just to show you how I create a patch surface. Go to here. I'm going to create a patch surface by clicking on the sides of the 3D lines. Hit apply. Now we have a surface. See here, we make a next one. Hit apply. Done. See, now here we have a surface that actually match the face of the point cloud. I will continue to draw the arcs for the rest of the model. Okay, now I have finished the arc lines. All we have to do is checking if it is sticking out from the point cloud. So you can see here, see, nothing is sticking out and flush with the point cloud. If I turn off, see here we have a 3D lines that can be used for creating a surface. Before that, if I want to create a fender flare here, After this, I will add 1mm thickness to the patch. Going to make an example of creating a template for the sheet metal forming. Because I have a solid sheet, so I can cut a section and get a contour line for creating the template. I will use a 10mm sheet and space it 5 centimeters away. Okay, here's the template. So after roll forming and hammering the metal sheet, you can use it for reference by putting it on the template. Roll forming and hammering is a very common method for making a custom car part. Actually, you don't have to convert the panel from mesh into CAD to make this template. You can just cut a cross section of the point cloud and make this template. Converting panel into CAD is only used when you need to send it to a CNC machine, because a CNC milling machine cannot recognize the mesh to create a tool path. Okay, thanks you guys for watching. I will see you in the next video.